In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to have multiple accounts in Google Chrome. This can be incredibly helpful for those juggling between work, personal, and perhaps even shared accounts, all within one browser while keeping everything separate and organized. To start off, open Google Chrome on your computer. Simply double-click the Chrome icon on your desktop or find it in your Applications folder. Once Chrome is open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the window. Here you'll see your current profile picture, or a generic icon if you haven't set one up. This is where you'll manage your browser profiles. Give your profile picture or the profile icon a click. A small menu will appear showing your current profiles and several options. To add a new profile, you'll want to look for an option that says Add. This selection is positioned toward the bottom of the menu and is key to setting up multiple accounts. Clicking Add will prompt a new window to pop up. This window is designed to help you create a new profile, providing a blank canvas that's separate from your existing profiles. You'll now have the opportunity to personalize this new profile. You can choose a name and pick an avatar. These features make it easy to distinguish between different profiles at a glance. After choosing your preferences, click Add to confirm your new profile. Next, you're directed to a screen where Chrome asks you to sign in with the Google account you'd like to use for this profile. Enter your email or phone number associated with that Google account, and then click Next. You'll be prompted to enter your password, so go ahead and do that, making sure to keep your information secure and private. Signing in allows you to synchronize your data, including bookmarks, history, and other settings tied to that specific Google account. After entering your credentials, you might see a few instructional steps from Google to complete the setup. Simply follow these on-screen instructions. They're typically straightforward, guiding you through permissions and additional Google features you might find useful. After completing the sign-in process, you'll notice your new profile is all set up and ready to go. You can easily switch between your profiles by clicking on the profile picture or icon in the top right corner again. This method of managing profiles is seamless, offering a clean and organized way to manage multiple accounts, each with its own settings and browsing environment. So there you have it. A quick and easy way to manage multiple accounts on Google Chrome. Keep all your accounts organized and toggle between them effortlessly to maintain productivity and separation between work and personal browsing activities. Thank you for watching, and happy browsing.